today? Today we're going to put good old Mary through the full floor plan test of my house. I finally have it pretty well cleaned up and stuff moved out of here to where I can start doing full floor plan test with all my robots. So should be a pretty interesting test, especially with this last test. So much scribble. So we'll see. This is just a tiny room that's super inaccurate, but we'll see how well it does with a much larger floor plan and how well it cleans or if it's going to air out. I haven't ran this since that last stress test where she freaked out and pretty much did whatever she wanted. So I don't know how this is going to start, if it's just going to start up right away and work perfectly, or is it going to air out again like it did. We'll find out in just a second. But I just want to go and run this through the full floor plan test because I'm really curious to see how well this map is going to look, and if this camera is actually doing anything, or is it just like a gimmick to make it seem like it's a more expensive robot than it really is. So yeah, I'm going to have this running. I'm actually leaving, so it's going to run while I'm gone, and when I get back I will start recording and we'll take a look at the job it did. I didn't really put down a big mess or anything. It's just a normal everyday cleaning job. So there's really nothing other than some crumbs here and there and stuff. But we'll go over how well everything looks when I get back, and then we'll see the map it did, and then I'll show you the floor plan, and we'll see if it's accurate at all. So here we go. Let's go ahead and start good old Mary.
Start auto cleaning.
And I'm just going to go and run her on her quiet suction mode since there's not really a mess here other than, a standard cleaning job. So I wanted to do the whole house in one charge if that's possible. So for whatever reason there, I told her to go and she's going. So not exactly sure why she went crazy for that stress test. Maybe she just knew the job was too big and she didn't want to deal with it. But as you can see, it's starting in a pattern that most smart robots do. Very quiet on its quiet mode. I wish other brands were this quiet. And we'll see, this is the easiest test this robot can do. Most of my tests are a lot harder, but as you see, there's really no mess on the floor that any robot can't handle. This is more just to see how well the map's gonna do. Man, I can't wait to get new carpet in here. But yeah, just remember this crumbs and stuff, and when it's done, we will come back and see how well it did. Alright guys, I'm gonna let this run while I'm gone. Hopefully it won't air out, and hopefully when I get back, all this little mess will be cleaned up, as well as a decent map. I don't know, we'll find out. That's why I'm doing this test. Alright Mary, Daddy's gonna go now. You behave, and you clean well, and I'll give you a treat. Alright guys, do me a favor, if you're new, please do me a favor, like this video and subscribe. Hey, what's going on everybody? Just a quick update. So this guy ran last night while I was gone for a good hour and a half. By the time I got back, it was back on the dock charging to go back out. Later it recharged and went back out, cleaned for a little while, and then came back again. And I thought it was done, but it just said recharging, so I think it was gonna go back out again. So this was like 2:30 in the morning, so it's been running for quite some time, really too long. And I was using the app and I couldn't get it to just quit the job. It doesn't say if the job's done or if it's gonna be going back out or any good detailed information like some of the other robots. So I was trying to quit the job and basically send it out again and then have it go right back to the dock. So then the job would be basically done. And in doing that, this thing literally lost the entire map. So there's no map whatsoever of my whole floor plan from that 3 to 4 hours that it was working. And I can even go to the cleaning records. And as you can see, the last cleaning job here is last year on 12/30. And then last night when I pushed the blue button and told it to come out, then told it to go immediately back just so it would finish the job, it didn't even record that at all. So that entire 3-4 hours it was cleaning is just gone. It didn't memorize it at all. So not very happy with this robot so far. I'm gonna do it one more time today because I'm gonna be leaving again. And hopefully when I get back, it'll be fully done and actually give us a map, as well as when I go to cleaning records, it should show that it was cleaning. So it completely lost everything for really no reason. I don't know why it did. So far, as you can see from my videos, this is totally not the most reliable robot. I mean, it's $100 for a reason. I can see from what it cleaned last night, it does pretty good on carpet overall, but I'll show you after this final test. There's still a lot of rice on that hard wood. It really does poor job on hard surfaces for anything like rice. So we'll see at the end of this video. I'm gonna send them out one more time. Hopefully this time it'll clean and get done, and I can show you guys a map and all that good stuff later.
Start auto cleaning.
So I'm gonna send it out again. Oh, is it gonna do that thing? No, okay. So it looks like it's gonna work right away again, so it didn't glitch out like that one day for that stress test, which is crazy. So as you can see, it kind of makes a map as it goes. So I really should have saved that last test last night. Don't know why I didn't. I just honestly, I don't think it's a very good robot. I think it's very cheaply made. Even though it feels solid and everything. Or maybe it's just the app that's the problem. But I don't think I'm gonna be recommending this in the end, but we'll see after this test. Alright guys, I will update you when I get back home, and hopefully we have something good to show you. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, I just got home about 5 hours later. And lo and behold, this little turd Amarey is stuck. Says the right wheel is abnormal. Yeah, it's stuck. So it's been cleaning for 81 minutes total, and I guess it's been stuck ever since then. And there's no alert notification that tells you it's stuck. So just coming home, I had to find it like this. So yeah, I definitely don't recommend this thing. None of my other robots get stuck here.
Continue cleaning.
I don't know, definitely disappointed. I mean, it's only $100 and it's $100 for a reason. So I honestly say stay away. I kind of think the camera system's just a gimmick. It makes you think that it's a much higher end robot than it really is. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Look at that, it's stuck again. Like, it literally just went back to where it was. Mary, you're a freaking moron. Oh. Now you get out of it when I'm home. Like, come on. Mary, you're fired. Let's just see if it can even find its way home after sitting there all day.
I'm returning to dock for charging.
See, like for instance, there's the map it just gave me. Like, if it messes up or airs out like that, it's like it completely forgets what it just did. And yeah, do not buy this. $100, great price, not a great robot. Oh, I think it's one of the only robots that fit under there though. So UFE 25C, if you're looking to spend around $100, that is the one I'd recommend. Definitely not this turd. I bet you if I ran this every day for a month, it'd be broken. So that's it for this test. I really wanted to make a full floor plan map and all that stuff, but it's just not worth it. It's not worth my time. And if I can't do it, or I review robots all day long for you guys, that just shows you that it's not worth it. I'm gonna run my Roborock S5 and the S4 Max through my full house plan, just like this guy. And they're both gonna get done in about an hour and 20 minutes max.
Please take me home.
See, this thing's just a piece. I don't like it. $100 ripoff. If you've seen my previous video with the stress test, this thing just airs out all the time. It does what it wants. I don't like it. Hopefully you learned something from this video. You get what you pay for. If you're looking for a robot vacuum, like I said, $100 to $200. Get the Eufy 25C. If you can afford, say, $300 to $400, you definitely want to go with the Roborock S5 or S4 Max, or possibly even the S6, if you can find a really good deal on it. And then anything above that, I would honestly go with a Roomba i7 or S9 Plus if you want the self-empty bin, which I think is a kind of a must now in robot vacuums. Once you have it, you really don't like emptying these guys. All right, that's gonna wrap it up. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Just wanted to add this real quick before I go. This is the rice that's left over on the floor. This is on my iPad, and the video looks terrible compared to the iPhone, doesn't it? So you can see there's lots of rice still everywhere, and this thing ran twice. This is not a good robot. Hardwood floors is absolutely terrible. The carpet, it did fine for the most part, but it really, really struggles on this floor. All right, have a good one. See ya.